Hi all, very good. Good morning for EST folks and good evening for Indian folks who are looking to my channel. Thank you all again for joining me on Chimpanzee Charts. Let's look into market, how it is getting reacted. Okay, let's start with BTCUSDT. Today I think it will be a very quick video, like 10 or 15 minutes. So let's start. So yesterday, yeah, we had a very good push and BTC closed above this 8 EMA. That's a good sign. But today we saw a drop in market. But even though the drop came, people started buying the dips, and now still we have like 7+ hours more to this candle close. I think if it close above this 8 EMA, I think at least we are pumping to 44,600 with respect to BTC. So yesterday I will check and let you know where it got reversed. Okay, I was looking into this charts earlier today evening. Okay, so what happened yesterday? BTC got rejected at 200 EMA, 39,748. This is on hourly chart. Okay, so we need to see whether BTC is trying to cross over. This is becoming a resistance right now, 39,800. So we need to see whether within today or tomorrow BTC is trying to break this 39,853 mark, or it is getting rejected here. So this is one key place where we need to check for BTC. So that's where it got rejected yesterday, and it came all the way down to 37,367. But you can see here, previous support acted as a support, and price consolidated for more than 4 hours, and we got a pump. So that is with respective to BTC USDT. ETH, as you guys know, there is a hard fork happening for ETH where lot of things happening, where ETH is getting burned. New ETH 2.0 as part of 2.0. Whenever there is a transaction happens, ETH will get burned. But we had a push when BTC went down. It came down, but closed above the 50 EMA on hourly. Let's check the daily chart. Daily chart looks bullish, I think. So as I was keep on saying, so the last 1 week, I was saying like from 28th of 27th of July, I was saying like ETH looks good, ETH looks good. I am seeing. I remember I drove this horizontal line as the target. It is almost reached the target, like 2,800. 2946 is my target. Let's see what happens for whether it reaches there or not. So this with respect to ETH. Let's check Aave USDT. Aave it pushed a lot today. Yeah, it wow, it so this is first altcoin. I think it's trying. ATMA is trying to cross this 200 EMA. If Aave tries to close above this 200 EMA, it's like bullish thing. So Aave still it goes up. So as I always say, whenever a crossover happened, whenever ATMA crosses above this 34 and 50, that's the place we need to buy. You could have made easily $100 on this token, and uh, you could have placed some other coins for remaining trend how it goes. That is with expected to Aave. Let's see link USDT pair. Hmm. Link USDT price just came to 80 MA and it got reversed since BTC pushed up. Um, so it's in hammer candle. Think it's okay. I think link can travel at least up to this 27 or 26.40 mark. So I'm expecting a resistance at 200 EMA, but if BTC persists, I think it can hit this 200 EMA and any close above this 200 EMA. It looks like Aave chart right now, whatever we saw. So we can trade on. If this becomes a red candle and closes below 80 EMA, that's where our first warning is. So whatever the trade you guys are doing, you need to close some profits and wait for next day's move. Okay, so that is for link USDT. Let's check dot USDT. Dot, it pumped, even though it pumped very good, it looks same as link. I'm at least expecting this target to be broken and at least reach till $22, even though it's not able to reach this $26. If it reaches $26, it's well and good. If you see the price from here, if even though if you buy now, if it reaches $26, it's like 50% more from here. So maybe it's a risk and reward ratio. If you want to cut loss, you can just do a stop loss at 16.42 or this ATMA as a stop loss. You can buy, and if there is a downtrend, you can sell it at 17.52 or within the 16.3 and 17.52 ranges. But the reward will be more. It can either move to 20 or 22 in quick succession. So that is with respect to dot. BNB, BNBUSDT coin. Same horizontal support. It got rejected today, but I think BNB will go up to the next target of 370. That's how I feel. So let's wait and see what is happening for BNB. Let's check LTC USDT pair. LTC USDT, it needs to break this 145. It's pushing hard, but either volume is very low or people are not willing to buy LTC. It needs to break that 145, 146 mark at least to reach 153 or 154. So right now, 2 days, one day it closed above ATMA and today's candle is red. But even though people bought in, it can be a green candle also, because volume is more. Even though we got a red candle, people since all this week has been bought up. So from 135, people has bids for 135. 3 days it didn't close up below the 135, so that's a good sign. So if it closes below 135 is the place where we need to think about where LTC is going down south or north. So that is with respect to LTC USDT pair. Let's check BCH USDT pair. Same thing. If you see this price like 520, almost like 4 days, 520 got $520 was a support for BCH. So any positive strength or good strength to BTC might push Bitcoin Cash to 590 at least. So that is my first target for Bitcoin Cash. Let's see whether do we have any chat. As of now, no. Let's go to gold chart. Gold is like, oh my god, this I'm getting frustrated with gold. Whenever there is a pump, yesterday we got a very good candle and I was expecting gold to go up, but everyone sold at gold and right now it looks bearish. So gold is like in volatility market, I think. So I was expecting same kind. If we, it was like similar to this. On 29th July we got a very good candle. Yesterday we got a very good candle, but unfortunately everyone took profit and it closed almost on ATMA. So that is fine, but today's candle looks bullish. If some miracle happens in next 4.5 hours and if we get a green candle and closes around 50 EMA, that is the place where gold can reject. One of the main issues like 50 EMA is trying to cross below 200 EMA. So that is one of the main bearish use case I am seeing, where gold is trying to push the price down. It may call us death cross also. So we need to wait and watch for gold as of now. If this happens, price will come down. If it doesn't happen and price, suppose if 50 EMA got supported by this 200 EMA and market try to reverse, it's a very good sign. At least you can see 1854 for gold. So that is with respect to gold chart. Next you can see Tesla. Today we got a news saying that from 2030 in US 50% of cars will be electric cars. I think that will help Tesla, and it is pumping hard, so that's good sign for Tesla. Let's check Apple. Apple looks bullish. Only these 3 days we need to check, but it is closed above 80 MA for first 2 days. Today also it's okay. I think at 149 or 115 cards for Apple as of now. Since tomorrow is Friday, anything can happen. If anyone wants to take profit, they can take profit and leave for the week. So that is with respect to Apple. Next chart, we can check Nifty. I didn't check Nifty today. Let's check Nifty. Okay. We got a doji candle today. Since this week was like pumping, tomorrow is Friday. People don't know whether they need to hold or sell. That's the reason price closed and open and closes like similar. But it closed above yesterday's week. That is good. But tomorrow's candle needs to, either a dump is possible, like 200 rupees dump can be possible. Let's wait and watch how tomorrow's candle reacts. Since it's a doji candle right now, we can't take a decision. Either it can pump and dump or dump and pump. Two scenarios are there. Let's wait and see for Nifty. And let's check Reliance. Obviously, as I was saying yesterday and day before yesterday, so this was the horizontal line I draw. It hit the first target, and yeah, this was expected. So if you guys noticed my yesterday's video, you can check and compare this videos and see. This is the price I targeted today, and that prediction worked out. So that is with respect to Reliance. Let's check ITC also. Wow, I draw this line. If there is a break, I was saying that I'm bullish. It happened today. That is what I expected. And usually this kind of breaks, what will happen is like, if this bullish move needs to confirm, it should touch this, something like this. It should touch its trend line, and again travel back again. So that will confirm the bullishness of ITC, something like this. This next day candle should touch and respect this trend line and move this up. So that will make sure that we are bullish on ITC. So, and we have a very good volume today. Let's see what happens. So this descending triangle has become invalid. So since the price pushed, this has become invalid, but we need to see this retest, and it need to go up. So to see that, we need to wait and see, or it can go up continuously, but this kind of retest will make sure that market is healthy. Okay, so that is with respect to ITC. Let's check Adani. We checked Adani ports yesterday. Adani, no, I am bearish on Adani. Let's check some Bajaj. We check Bajaj Auto, I think. Same thing. Same like Adani, looks bearish. Lots of sell volume. And let's check Bank Nifty. I think I didn't check the other day. Mm, maybe we can check bank nifty. Let's see what happens there. Lot of volatility. This gaps needs to be filled closed above the Bollinger, closed exactly the Bollinger Band. It's above Ichimoku cloud. It's fine. So it's like bullish only. As of now, it's bullish, where we can see price pump, or it can come and test this 35,278 mark, and it can turn bearish. But as of now, since it is above the Ichimoku cloud, I am bullish right now. So that is with respect to bank nifty. Next, what we can check, any crypto, let's check ADA USDT. We didn't check the ADA USDT. ADA is tempting us to hit my first target of 1.45, which I drew one week ago. We got an kind of a I would say it's not a hammer, some kind of hammer, I would say. But let's wait and watch whether it is hitting my 1.44 target for ADA. Theta was doing decent, even though BTC was pulling back. Theta USDT was like pumping. Let's see what's happening now for Theta. Yeah, this is the reason. So as I was keep on saying to you guys, ATMA crossed over 34. We got a small pump, rejected at 50. Today what happened? Pumped. So I'm at least expecting a target of 7.17, and Ichimoku needs to turn green to get more conformance. At least I'm expecting a target of 7.17 for Theta as of now. Let's check some other thing. Solana, SOLUSDT. Solana, we are getting a correction. I think that correction might come here at 34.53, something near to that. It's all depends on BTC. Better, instead of checking Solana on OKX, let's check on FTX. So that is better. Okay, so this is what we need. Solana, daily Ichimoku is turning green. If it is turning green, I'm a little bit bullish on Solana. See, whenever Ichimoku turns green, it will pump up. I'm a little bit bullish on Solana. If you get a lower target in next 8 hours, maybe this can be the lower target, like 34.11. If BTC crashes, 34.11 is the lower target where you guys can enter. But Solana, I'm feeling bullish, but anything can happen. But as of now, looking the chart, it looks good, and it is about 200 AMA, so that is okay. Let's check Doge USDT. Again on 200 EMA, same thing as I was saying yesterday. If this 80 EMA crosses below this 200 EMA, we will have first downfall like this, and people will lose confidence, and it can try to hit a resistance of 16825, 0.16825. So that is with respect to Doge. Let's check SRM USDT. This was also doing good yesterday. Yeah, exactly near the 200 EMA it got rejected. We are getting a red candle. You need to wait and watch. Anything close below, people would have obviously took profits here, because it's like 100% move. So on 200 EMA they would have took profits. So Let's wait for tomorrow and see what happens market is. That is with respect to SRO. I think I have covered a lot of charts. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please try to ask in the comment section. If you guys are interested in live, please try to join my live stream and learn whatever I say, so it will be easy for you to make some easy money. So other than that, as I always say, I'm not a financial advisor or SEBI certified agent, so all these things are on my own interest. If you guys like this subject, try to learn and make a passive income out of it. So anyhow, thank you all. Thanks for viewing my video. Try to share it with your friends, family and neighbors. Once again, thank you. Thanks for your time.